A guide: what is Bitcoin and how does it work? When the richest person in the world gives his support to a virtual currency, you know it's big business. What is a Bitcoin? Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or digital currency, is a type of money that is completely virtual. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have banned it. However, some companies are beginning to buy into its growing influence. In October last year, for example, the online payment service PayPal announced that it would be allowing its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. The physical Bitcoins you see in photos are novelty. They would be worthless without the private codes printed inside them. How does Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoin or part of one to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoin to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoin to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies, or undoing transactions. How do people get Bitcoin? There are three main ways people get Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin using real money. You can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoin, or they can be created using a computer. How are new Bitcoin created? In order for the Bitcoin system to work, people can make their computer process transaction for everybody. The computers are made to work out incredibly difficult sums. Occasionally, they are rewarded with a Bitcoin for the owner to keep. People set up powerful computer just to try and get Bitcoins. This is called mining. But the sums are becoming more and more difficult to stop too many Bitcoins being generated. If you started mining now, it could be years before you got a single Bitcoin. You could end up spending more money on electricity for your computer than the Bitcoin would be worth. Why are Bitcoin valuable? There are lots of things other than money which we consider valuable, like gold and diamond. Bitcoin are valuable because people are willing to exchange them for real goods and services, and even cash. Why do people want Bitcoins? Some people like the fact that Bitcoin is not controlled by the government or banks. People can also spend their Bitcoins fairly anonymously. Although all transactions are recorded, nobody would know which account number was yours unless you told them. In an online chat with social media user in January 2021, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, said he was a big support for Bitcoin. He even went as far to change this Twitter bio to #Bitcoin. He has repeatedly shown his support to online currencies in recent years and caused major movement in their value due to his own personal wealth and influence. This particular endorsement led to the value of Bitcoin to rise significance. Is Bitcoin secure? Every transaction is recorded publicly, so it is very difficult to copy Bitcoin, make fake ones, or spend ones you don't own. It is possible to lose your Bitcoin wallet or delete your Bitcoin and lose them forever. There have also been thieves from websites that let you store your Bitcoin remotely. The value of Bitcoins has gone up and down over the years since it was created in 2009, and some people don't think it's safe to turn your real money into Bitcoin. This concern was expressed by the head of the Bank of England Andrew Bailey in October 2020. He said that he was very nervous about people using Bitcoin for payment, pointing out that investors should realize its price is extremely volatile. By this, he meant that the value would drop significantly at any moment and investor could lose a lot of money.